Turn up the- Why you do it? So we are. For some reason, the YouTube algorithm, when I go live on my laptop, it don't push out to enough people and it don't give notifications. But when I go on my phone, it actually do it. Have no idea why it worked that way. I'm not here to ask all the questions. So if you received a notification, let me know. Shout out to all the new people that are watching. We are officially starting my Patreon page starting June 1st. We already got it active now where you can sign up and you can already start seeing the programs and the game plan of what we're going to be doing. And I wanted to talk about that in this video because most people don't understand the purpose of a Patreon. What's the point of paying where you can get stuff for free? We're going to kick it about that, and we're going to talk about the market and see exactly what's going on. But we need to do some housekeeping first. Press that like button, press that subscribe button, you know, all the good stuff. See, Jason say he just got a notification. It's crazy because when I do it on my phone, everybody get notifications, and I realize I get like 3 times more views when I go live on my phone versus doing it on my laptop. And I never seen anybody talk about that before. I'm assuming because it's like a third-party app I go through, and I guess they just, since you're going directly on, you know, YouTube, it work easier. But, you know, it is what it is. We will figure it out sooner or later. Crypto market is down a little bit today, but the stock market is up. I talked about it the other day and even in the Patreon where I was like, I noticed Bitcoin. Have y'all noticed Bitcoin in the stock market is no longer trading side by side? Because for a while, whenever the stock market went down, that means crypto was going down and vice versa. But it changed the game up a little bit. All right. Let's see. Before we flip the screen, this is what we're going to do. So this is the goal. Once we get started in June with the Patreon, first thing I'm doing, people love crypto. We're going to do stock market also, but we're going to get started talking about how to build a strong crypto portfolio. I'm starting with zero. Literally cleared out a lot of my accounts to be able to show you guys how to go from zero to hero and how to do it. So the game plan is going to be, all right, say for example, if we're using Coinbase, we're going to use Coinbase for our Ethereum-based type of tokens where we have Matic, we can have Aave, we can have Solana. We're going to probably pick 5 coins and we're going to build that way. On FTX, we're going to probably have the metaverse where we have Sandbox, where we're going to have Decentraland, and we're going to probably have Axie Infinity. Over there, crypto.com is what we're going to get freaky a little bit. I can't wait to show people how, and I wish I was already doing it now, how to use the buy limit and sell limit option, because the way crypto been going like this is nothing but opportunity up. We're going to have a buy limit right here. Boom, we bought. Then we're going to have a sell limit right here. Boom, we sell it. Buy limit right here. So I'm going to teach you guys exactly how to do that. And when it comes down to the stock market, how to identify good companies. We're not going to go towards like hit and quits. Sometimes we will, and by the time you finish with this Patreon, you're going to understand my mindset, why I'm buying, what I'm buying, and how frequently are we doing it. So one question I got asked is like, yo, how much money do I need to be able to start investing and stuff? I have it set up where I have 3 different tiers. First tier, you can have little as $100 a month, and we can basically work with you. Then I got the second tier is $1,000 a month, third tier $10,000 a month. Depending on whatever your financial situation, I'm always going to refer to whatever tier you're in on how you should be investing. So I broke it down like, okay, if you got $100 a month, that means you have $3 a day to invest. If you get paid once a week, we're going to calculate that to whatever the hell it is, $15, however you calculate it. And you will understand what's going on. What's going on, JVI? What's popping? I just sold a lot of crypto, but my cold wallet would not get touched for another year or 2. I did get my first notification from your live. That's crazy that it's finally actually doing it this way. I just don't want to, because the problem is when I go from my phone, I can't screen share, and I have to flip the camera, which I'm going to finesse and do anyway. So actually, let me take this off. Take this microphone off so I can flip the camera easier. Hold on, y'all. Shaky. There we go. All right, so let's look at the crypto market real quick so y'all can see what I'm talking about. There we go. That works so much better. All right, so you got the crypto market right now. It's down 2%. You got Bitcoin is at 28,000. Bitcoin is still technically going down right now. Look at that last day. Red is all hell. And look at this last month. We're going to get close after a while once June 12th hit. I can't wait to see June 12th to see if we do this literally for a month straight. This is just buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell option. And it's trading sideways. We haven't seen Bitcoin literally trade sideways like this for a while. You have Ethereum is at 1,700, way under 2 grand, down over the last day. Cardano is getting beat up. Straight a great buying opportunity with Cardano. Solana under $50, under 45, at 42. Whenever it go under 40, crazy buying opportunity. Dogecoin is green because Elon Musk tweeted about them. Yeah, Avalanche, you got Shiba down. Polygon, 59 cents. That's crazy. I never thought I would see Polygon that low again. Crow is at 17 cents, FTX. And then like the Patreon, we're going to still have other crypto that we're investing in, like Algorand. And we're going to, I put my Algorand in a Pair wallet where I show people how to do it, where you can get staking rewards. But Coinbase have a good staking reward situation going on now too. You have Hedera, well under 10 cents. ApeCoin. ApeCoin is, ApeCoin down to $6. Ooh, boy. Ape is getting whooped on. Any ApeCoin fans in the building? What's going on? Yeah, we have a lot of things. One I wanted to talk about was Stepn, yo. Have you guys seen Stepn price? And this was my situation. I love the concept with Stepn. Very great concept, everything they're doing, but the price is crashing bad. Stepn price is close to $1 right now. And you see the last day down 17%, last week down 24%, last month down. Their all-time high was at $4.11. Now, I still honestly believe this is still a good buying opportunity with Stepn because it's not over yet for them. They still got to figure some things out, change some things up. The whole time is not long enough, 14 days, but the popularity went crazy and people are still buying it. So I honestly believe this is still a great buying opportunity. Let me know y'all thoughts in the comments. Do you think Stepn's still good buying opportunity? And right now you can buy a sneaker for, I calculate, like $500 and something dollars. I think I'm going to buy a sneaker soon with Stepn. It makes sense. And we also need to talk about Stepn. What's their Fitfi? I think theirs is it Fitfi. Yep, they don't have it on here. Do they have Fitfi on crypto.com? Let's see if we can see. I guess they don't have it on Coinbase yet. But my problem with Fitfi and a lot of other people is people became too bullish on them before they came out with a damn app, right? So for example, right? As soon as they came out, people was buying
like crazy. They're like, oh, the concept is amazing. I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy. So you see, it originally came out about 2 cents, and the price shot all the way up to damn near 70 cents. So a lot of money to be made, but the uncertainty of their app, and they still haven't produced a damn product. If we go to their Twitter right now, all of this excitement is going on without them literally having an app yet. They supposed to been released one, haven't did what they said they was going to do, and people is starting to realize they on that BS because I can create an app quicker than they basically can, and it really don't make no sense. 200,000 followers with people probably in there going crazy. We can't log in with Trust Wallet. Why are Fitfi's inside? I haven't been able to connect Trust Wallet for staking. We want your team to give us support we give you. For example, when an application is released. So a lot of people are upset with what they are doing. And I completely get it. I am with you. But that's why I'm more of a Stepn person first, because at least Stepn have a product that they are providing. Now, shout out to everybody that's already involved with the Patreon. What we're going to do, this is going to be the goal. Every single 10 new Patreons we get, we're going to do a giveaway. So we got 9 Patreons now. Somebody click the link in the bio. Go ahead, get signed up. It's only $20. I'm going to give you that value times a zillion easy. So once we get every 10 people, we are going to do a giveaway, and it's going to increase every single time. So the first one is going to be $20 giveaway to a random subscriber, or a random Patreon member. And then we're going to do trivia. I'm going to let you guys vote every single time what type of trivia y'all want to do. We can do finance, we can do stock, we can do crypto, we can do black history, we can do religion, we can do movies, actors, all the fun stuff. So I'm going to let you guys vote, and whoever answered first, get the money right to your crypto.com wallet, and I'm going to show you how to actually use that. So the reason people should sign up for Patreon, right? You have regular YouTube. Regular YouTube, you can get access to Orlando or John Doe, Graham Stephan content where they basically providing you some dope information of what's going on in the world, how to do X, Y, and Z. When you sign up for a Patreon, you have direct access to that person. You message me, hit me up, hey Lando, here go my portfolio, what should I do, pros and cons, and you basically don't have to deal with the fluff. Because when you do YouTubes, you have to, you got to fluff it up. You got to cater towards the YouTube algorithm, make it funny. You got to do all type of things. Hey, make sure you guys like and subscribe. When you're doing a Patreon, I don't have to do any of that. I can get right to the business and the factual stuff. And I'm not always as open with my portfolio due to Uncle Sam. Patreon, I'm be open with my portfolio. Hey, this is exactly what I'm buying, and this is why I'm buying it. Because most people understand, they see a good crypto, but they don't understand why they should buy it, why should they sell it, what should they do. When you have that access, and it's going to be daily content, it's definitely worth the $20 to be able to get in. Next thing is, I'm going to bring at least once a month a live stream, because it's only live stream for the Patreons, a live stream of somebody that can bring you great value. I already have my first one coming in June, and I'll tell y'all now, we're going to talk about building your kid custodial account and your Roth IRA. I know a gentleman that have 4 kids that have, all of them probably have 40,000 each in their custodial account, and then maximizing your Roth IRA, because I know you can put $5,500 a year, but there's certain type of stipulations where you can add to it that you just actually don't know unless somebody teach you, and nobody really talk about it on YouTube, or you wouldn't know where to search for it. And I got a gentleman that's going to be able to give y'all that game. So that video alone will probably be worth $400, just giving you some type of game like that. So yeah, man, we're definitely going to have some fun with the Patreon. I think with crypto, we're going to use Crypto.com, FTX, Coinbase, I think, and probably one more. With stocks, we're going to use Stash, Moomoo. Shout out to Moomoo that reached out to me yesterday. We're about to do some more business. Click the link in the bio. Get up to 5 free stocks, up to $3,500 just by depositing your first $100. Shout out to Moomoo. Who else we got? We're going to do like Vanguard, like the old school stuff, you know, where you're not going to touch your money. But that's the boring stuff. We have a lot of good things we're going to talk about. So let's see what's going on else in the market. Today, and I told people in the Patreon that we was going to have a green week, right? So to see actually, so when you're not a member, that's how it looks. When you're not a member, show you this. Hey, $20 a month. We got 9 Patreons. We need one more. Boom. This one I show public. I can pick and choose when I want things public, then some where you can't see. Now, you know, you have to be unlocked to see this one. This week should be green. So I told people this is going to be a green week and why I felt it was going to be green week, why I wouldn't trust Elon Musk right now. The real reasons I never did option trading. Why I did a video breaking that down. Be careful investing right now. Have any of you guys ever tried this? This company that reached out to me. Understand, I'm going to teach you a lot of good terms. Understanding a hostile takeover. Most people don't understand it. What you need to get started, that's the basics. And we're going to be having this thing popping every single day. I think when you're inside the Patreon, it probably looks different. Let's see. Yeah, I think it, yeah, you can read everything. What's going on. Videos. So it's going to be a lot more quick content, meaning let me hurry up, record this right now and get it to you without editing, because, you know, you want to know what my mind is thinking. And before I put stuff on YouTube, it takes time to edit and make it look all cute and all of that type of good stuff. So let's look at stock market. Stock market is green today. And it says stocks rise on slowing inflation report. Dow to snap 8-week loss losing streak. I said it was going to be a green week because I don't think it was going to break the record. How did I get a wallet? Now, how do you get a wallet? How do I get a wallet? It depends on whenever you sign up for a centralized exchange, they automatically create you a wallet. So say if you sign up with crypto.com and if you want to go buy Bitcoin, they automatically give you a wallet information. So depending on who you sign up with, they will automatically give you one, unless you want a cold storage wallet, which is different. And I'm actually reaching out to some companies now to get a cold storage sponsorship. Let me know some good companies y'all think I should check out. Now, stocks were higher Friday as Dow industry average was on pace to snap the 8-week losing streak. The Dow climbed 341 points or 1%. NASDAQ 1.8. We're taking a breather here and making some adjustments in the market to allow that. We came a long way down pretty fast. And if we can stabilize here, then the declines we've seen might be all that's needed or something close to that. What the hell are you talking about? I'm assuming he's saying it's been bad as hell. We're trying to make things a little bit better, and this is how we're going to make it a little bit better. Now, should you start back investing? Did we see the bottom, right? In my opinion, it all comes down to what information we have that change. So you look in the last week, Dow is up, NASDAQ is up, target everybody. Oh, Tesla going hard. Tesla's up. You look in the last month, is not that far up. Tesla will have to break 160, so it's close to it. Tesla had to break 160. Now, my thing is, when you look at the news to see what happened, all they saying is inflation is slowing down a little bit. Dip buyers storm back. So you got nobody buying houses. Gas, I just seen when I was at the gym, said the average price around the world is $4.10 a gallon. So inflation eased slightly in April, according to the Fed's preferred measure. But, gas prices are still high as hell. Consumer rose this much. We got shootings going on. I know the gun price sales probably went up like crazy. Manufacturer apparently used our deep pocket Republican donors given to candidates and committees. The owner of Georgia-based company donated more than $70,000 directly to, GOP candidates. I don't know what's the purpose of this article. The real C surge is much bigger than it looks. So next we have the C word. This is actually coming back. Like, we took off the mask, we thought everything is cool, but it's randomly coming back. I know people that's been recently catching it lately. The U.S. seen average more than 100,000 reported new cases across the country every day. So you got that new surge coming. And then you got people in China, they got like real life lockdowns going on. So let's see, Dow inflation cools. And what else happening in the stock market today? So, shout out to everybody that's new in here. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already done it, in my opinion, that's why you need to dollar cost average, because nobody knows if it's completely going to recover right now. But I don't see any real indications such as a long-term sustainable growth, because on Monday we could have a new earnings report that wipe all those gains completely right back down. And crypto is not going up, is not reacting to what's going on in the market. So I would be careful. Don't think everything is over, because it's more than likely not. We still got high gas prices. We still have inflation. We have the housing crash market is about to come. Not if it's going to come, but when it's coming, because it's coming now. And I will really wait until that next big crash. But in this Patreon, I'm going to show you how to start that portfolio, how to literally just build, hey, $10 right here, $10 right here, $5 right here. This is why we're doing this. This is why we're building, and this is our goal. Then when we see good opportunities, quick flip opportunities, hey, this stock or this coin is at 5 cents. I can see it going to 30 cents. Let's go ahead and drop some money in it, and we're going to sell it when it go ahead and hit this. That's why you need full access to it. Click the link in the bio. Get involved. You guys will appreciate it. It will be worth your time, energy, and money. Trust your boy. We're going to be doing giveaways non-freaking stop. So if y'all want me to do any certain type of videos, feel free to let a player know. Just let me know in the description. Certain type of coins, stocks y'all want me to cover. We have a little bit of all of that. So I need to go make some money today since it's Friday. I got a kid birthday party to go to. Got a busy weekend, man. We got Memorial Weekend is here. I hope you guys be absolutely safe. Have some fun. Don't do too much. Actually, do hood things. Just be safe when you do it. I appreciate all of you guys from supporting the channel, all the stuff. Patreon is starting June 1st. June 1st, everyday content. You guys will appreciate it. Talk to y'all soon. I'm Lando Success. I am out.